Okay, so this lesson super important to understand. We're going to walk through irrefutable math and why it matters. I don't know that this has ever been done, but I'm just going to kind of take the bull by the horns, if you will. Do I have the permission to be honest? I hope that I do. Okay, so this program, we all know that comes through the value of concentrates. We know that instead of going to the store and buying one bottle at a time, we're going to use super concentrates to make our own soap. And because we're only putting this much soap in a product like foam and hand and body soap, we know that this bottle can make a lot of these. Okay. And this happens in every scenario when you're talking about super concentrates. But I'm going to really share with you how we come up with the value on all of our explosion brochures. And so I want to take a moment here, share my screen again. I think it's really critical that you guys understand this. So we go back to an explosion brochure. In this case, we're looking at a 9570 program. This 9570 program has a value of $9,570. So irrefutable math says this. If I go up or if I go outside of the circle on an explosion brochure and I add up every bottle and the cost of the bottle, and we're going to get to the cost here in a second, I'm going to come up with a number equal to or greater than what I presented on the inner circle. So let's walk through this. We come up with the value of the ready-to-use product on our website. So I'm not going to go to Glassware. I'm going to go to Foamy Hand and Body Soap. Foamy Hand and Body Soap on our website has a cost of $9. Okay. Now, I think that is a pretty fair price for the quality of product that is actually in this product. You can go all the way around all the products, and if you simply go to shop by collection, let's go pick on kitchen and bath because that's what I'm holding in my hand right now. You're going to see that it's $7. We believe that this has a competitive market value of $7. When I put the water in it, I put the trigger back on it, and I'm using the product in my household, it's competitive when you go to the store based on the quality of this product and what it compares to that you could spend $7 on it. So let's walk through that together and look at a sheet. I'm going to share an Excel sheet with you, and I want you to understand this. The value of the 5-year program, by the time I add all these concentrates up and I go buy all the products that are on the outside of the circle, it has a value of equal to or greater than the price in the inner circle of every explosion brochure, every program that you're on, and irrefutably I can stand behind this and nobody can poke a hole in it. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. So this is the ready-to-use program. This is just for the quarts. If you're seeing this and you're on a gallon program, just know that I stand behind the price that we put on the explosion brochure, and this is based on gallons and how many products that it makes. But I want to just go pick on the foamy hand and body because that is the one that we talk about the most. Okay, so because we charge $9 again for this product online, okay, and we know that this particular product, the concentrate of this, makes 64 of these. We know that we have to take 9 times 64. So let's go to the 5-year program. This, I'm going to highlight this so everybody can see it. And this is the program that we're on. We know that this 1728, I'm just going to walk you through this, right? We know that one bottle of concentrate makes 64 foaming hand and body. We know that foaming hand and body, this product makes is $9. So 9 times 64, and we're just going to do the math together because I want to stand behind this, is $576. Okay. So we also know that if you go back to the explosion brochure for this program, there's 3 of those products. So 3 of those, so equals that value times $3 or 3 quarts. Okay. So if I take this and I make it this a dollar figure, I know that in this program with 3 bottles of foaming hand and body soap, we have a value of $1,728, right? And the way that I come up this is, again, this $9 times 64 of these times 3 of these on the program that I just showed you, right? Irrefutably has a value of $1,720. And we've done that all the way around the circle for every one of the programs that we have. I hope this makes sense to you. If you guys have any questions about this, please reach out. If you're not understanding it, If it doesn't make sense to you, this is the opportunity for you guys to have that conversation with me. I appreciate you, and I hope that this understands or that you understand this because I think it's super critical. Thank you.